astronaut Lawrence. You have probably heard of me anyway. I'm very famous. You haven't? Well, you are really lucky today. You get to meet me. Today I want to tell you about an exciting journey I had in space to the special planet called Yomiji. It's very far away and no one had ever been there before. You can come along with me in your imagination. When I snap my fingers, we will be sitting in a super fast rocket ship. Snap! Ooh, this is nice. It's a new model. Do you like it? We have new windows and seats, and if you get cold, there are blankets under your seat as well. Back to business. Ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seatbelts. Click and put your valuables under your seats. It's important to be safe when traveling in space. Now hold on tight. You may hold on to your neighbor if that's easier. Okay, let's go. T-minus 10 seconds until blast off. You can count with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoosh! Our rocket ship is so fast. We will be near planet Yomiji in about 10 years and wait. Roger that. Ladies and gentlemen, I just got word that we are now approaching planet Yomiji. That was fast. If you look out your window to the right, you will see the beautiful green skies. Excuse me. And 4. Ladies and gentlemen, I just heard we do not have enough gas to continue our journey. We are aborting the mission. We are doing our best to make sure that we